In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Citibank with PayPal. If you want to connect your bank account to PayPal so you can move money more easily, this process is usually very quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. To begin, open PayPal and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Wallet section and click on it. This is where PayPal stores and manages your connected payment methods, including cards and bank accounts. If you've never added a bank before, this area may look very simple. If you already have payment methods saved, just look for the option to add another one. Inside Wallet, select the option that says Link a Bank. This will take you to the bank connection page where PayPal lets you choose the financial institution you want to connect. On this screen, use the search feature to find Citibank, then select it from the list. Make sure you choose the correct bank entry if more than one result appears, since bank names can sometimes look similar. After selecting Citibank, you'll be prompted to enter your account number. Type it in carefully and double-check the digits before continuing, because even a small mistake can cause the linking process to fail or delay verification. Once everything looks correct, click Link to submit the request. In many cases, PayPal will then send a confirmation request to your bank. This is a normal part of the process and helps verify that the account belongs to you. Depending on your bank and your PayPal setup, confirmation may happen quickly, or it may take a little time to fully complete. If you don't see the bank available immediately, give it some time and check back in your wallet section later, and that's all there is to it. Once the confirmation goes through, your Citibank account should be linked to your PayPal account and ready to use. As a final tip, always make sure the account details you enter match your bank information exactly, and try to do this on a secure internet connection for added safety. That's the full process for linking Citibank with PayPal.